What's up, you guys? What's up? This is Skinny Boy Randy. What's up? How you doing today, you guys? I love you so much. Thank you for being here. How you doing? Hello, everyone. Hello. To all over the world. Yes, you guys, we have followers from all over the world, you guys. Yes, and I have this little monitor here, so if you ever see me looking down that way, because I'm looking at myself, making sure everything is good and legit, because, sometimes I be off the chain, hey, I be all over the place. Yes, you guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. You know how I get sidetracked. Hi, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. We'd love to have you guys. Thank you so much for being here. You can be anywhere else in the millions of zillions of YouTube videos, but I appreciate each and every one of you who watch my videos. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Okay? And that was a special just for y'all. That note went way up. That might go into opera. I'm just kidding, you guys. Welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. You know I love you. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button, you guys. We'll wait. Yeah, we waited. And click a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers. Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. We're sitting outside. I'm not in the sunlight, you guys, because it is hot today, which is going to tie into our video. I'm trying to keep this short and sweet, but I have to give you the information, you guys. Okay, and let's get the preliminaries out of the way. You click join, you click subscribe, click that bell, that little bell over there. You'll get a notification every time I make a video, which is like every 3 seconds. Okay, I love you guys. No, I don't, but yeah, I do. But anyway, how you guys doing? I love you. Thank you so much for being here, you guys. I have so much to tell you, but I don't want to it's just so much. My birthday is in 7 days, you guys. Yes, September 3rd. Virgo, Skinny Boy Randy birthday. Yes, you guys, I will be in Miami Beach, Florida, you guys. I'm doing a social distance to myself and my cameraman and the ocean. Yes, you guys. So I hope you tune in. I'm going to try to do a video from down there, and I will keep you up to date. Also, shout out to the winner, Miss Valerie Kimball. She won the Spend a Day with Skinny Boy Randy social distance contest we did while I was doing a live. If you guys don't check out my lives sometimes, hey, they're off the chain. You never know what's going to happen. And that happened during a live on Sunday. Yes, you guys, I will be going to Ontario, California to spend a social distance day in the garden with Miss Valerie Kimball, and I'm going to be helping her out. She has been down about her gardening, and her daughter set this whole entire thing up, and I thank her so much. Thank you guys so much for bringing me out, you guys. Yes, if you're interested in having me come out, I'll come out. You just bring me on out there and I'll show up. You set it up, let me know, and we'll make it happen. Okay, so shout out to Valerie and her daughter Lauren Kimball for the amazing opportunity. Thank you so much for all of the arrangements, all the accommodations, the car, the hotel, yes, and the flights. Everything is perfect, Lauren. Just had to get that out of the way. Preliminaries. Don't forget, go over to my Facebook. Check out my Facebook channel, you guys. Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. If I can't answer a question right here on my channel, go over there. Type in your question. Send a picture of what you're talking about if you have one. If not, I guarantee you'll get an answer. We have people from all over the world on my Facebook group, you guys, so check it out. Also, share me with your social media. I really appreciate it. Leave a comment in the comment section. Talk to me, and I try to, I can't respond to every comment, but trust and believe, I'm reading them, and I'm doing exactly what you guys asked me to do. Okay, so let's just dive right into this video. It's not going to be long, so I did a little talking earlier. I told you about my Facebook. Don't forget, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm on there too. Get your Skinny Boy Randy t-shirt. We have 4 different types. Get your Skinny Boy Randy t-shirts. And for those who are waiting on their t-shirts to come this week, the company that I ordered from, they came and they were a little not what I ordered. So I don't want to send you anything that I didn't tell you I'm going to send you. Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, so let's dive right into it. Mistakes during your fall gardening, you guys. We're going to go right into it. Know your first frost date. I can't stress that enough. So I'm going to keep this video real sweet and simple. Go to thefarmersalmanac.com and check out your first frost date. All you have to do is type in where you live, not your address, but your city, state, or if you know your zone, then you don't have to worry about this part. But go find out what your zone is. And a zone is the different areas of the United States that the weather patterns, based off of history, they're showing you what the patterns are for a whole 365 days a year. So they classify everybody in a zone. I'm in zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. I'm right on the border of Richmond and Henrico, so they call me zone 7A, 7 zone B. I don't get into the AB. I'm zone 7, okay? Okay, so find out your zone. First thing I want you to do, once you find out your zone, I'm going to keep it simple. Say, for instance, your zone, your first frost date in your zone is November 1st, okay? Now, you want to have your plants in the ground before the first frost. Don't wait until your first frost to plant your seeds. That's not what fall gardening is. You want to start your seeds before the fall. You don't want to start your seeds right on your first frost date or 2 days before your first frost date, especially not in the ground. No, you don't want to do that. You want to give yourself time. And that way, when it comes to germination of a seed, which is the seed growing until it sprouts through the ground, you know, that's that time. Sometimes it's 2-3 days. Sometimes it's 7 to 21 days before it shows its face out of the ground. Those seeds, that's called germination. When it comes out of the ground, it's germinated. Your seed has germinated. Now, on your seed packet, you will see germination and days to maturity. Days to maturity does not include that 7 to 21 days if your seed took that long to germinate. Days to maturity is after it germinates, how long it takes to mature. Hopefully, you can get all of your harvest from it. So, look at those factors, and you want to read the pack. If it says get in the ground 4 weeks before your first frost, and your first frost is November 1st, you need to have those seeds that germinated plant in the ground 4 weeks before your first frost, which means you needed to have planted it 7 to 21 days. Okay, so November 1st, we want it in the ground by October the 1st. We're going backwards, y'all, which means we need to go ahead and start germinating September the 1st, if you can, checking out your zone. Okay, so let's get that out of the way. Don't plant too late. What I just said, don't wait, go ahead, and don't plant too early, you guys. If you plant too early, let me show you what happens. And I left these just on purpose outside in the sun. These are seedlings, lettuces, and different things I planted, and I did this on purpose just so you can see. Sitting out in the heat right now in the 90-degree weather, it's not going to work. They're going to come out of the ground real quick, and they're going to bolt, and then they're going to wilt over, or called legging. See how some were reaching for the sun? But yeah, and you see these ones, they're gone. Now look at the beans. We planted these the same day. The beans are thriving. They love the heat. You can plant your beans in the heat, and they tolerate both the heat and into the fall. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that when you plant too early, I know we're eager to get out here and do it, but if you're going to plant super duper early and we're having these 90 day temperatures, you need to start inside or in a shaded area that you know is not going to get super hot, because these plants are going to bolt, okay? Especially your beets and radishes and stuff like that normally grow in 20 to 30 days. They're going to go so fast that they'll just go to flower, and you probably won't even get the radish or the bulb, the root of the plant. Okay, so don't plant too early. Also, select multiple plants, you guys. You don't have to select one plant. Select multiple plants. There's different types of spinaches, different types of kale, you know, all these different types of varieties. Find your space. Know what you are working with. If you have a small space, work with your small space and make it work, okay? Okay? It's your garden. Do what you want to do, because we ain't got no money. We ain't got no money. We're going to use what we got and make it work, okay? We don't do pretty gardening. We do what? Productive gardening. We make it work. I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. All right, I just want to make sure I didn't leave out anything. Don't forget to keep weeding your gardens. Weed as much as you can out. Weed as much as you can out. If you have a few weeds here and there, it's okay. Your garden doesn't have to look like Martha Stewart's, okay? Because Martha Stewart ain't coming down here. Well, you never know. Y'all know Martha Stewart. Tell her I say, hey, Martha, you can come on to the Skinny Boy Farms and you can put something on in the ground and let it grow. And Oprah, too. Okay, you guys. So, yeah, just keep weeding. Keep trimming your grass around your garden. Keep loving on your garden. Talk to your plants, y'all. I really believe that. I was taught growing up, if you talk to your plants, they receive oxygen and energy and all that from you. And I really do believe that, okay? So, you guys, thank you so much for being here. These are just some mistakes that we all make, I've made, and I just want to make sure you don't do the same. I love you. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Miami, here I come next week. Ontario, California, here I come in 3 weeks. You guys, we're taking this around the world, you guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget, click like and subscribe, share the video. live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. You are